Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to close an Amazon listing on the Amazon Seller app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by opening up the Amazon Seller app, and then from here we need to get to our inventory because we're going to close a listing. So in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on the three little lines right there. So I'm going to click on the three little lines, and then I'm going to click on inventory. It's the second one from the top. So I'm going to click on inventory. This will pull up all my active listings and inactive listings as well. As you can see, the items I have are FBA, but let's say I don't want to sell this Lightning Returns video game right now. So let's say I want to close this listing. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the listing. So right there, the third one from the top, I'm going to tap on the listing. This pulls up the manage inventory screen for this particular item. From here, you can see the price, the proceeds, all that stuff, but I'm going to go over to inventory. It's the second one from the left. You can see I have one available. It looks like it's been there for a little while, but if I scroll down to the bottom, we've got close listing, delete listing, or share listing. Now I don't actually want to delete this listing. I just want to close it for right now, because maybe I want to keep this game, or maybe I don't want to sell it right now, something like that. But if you want to close it, all you do is you just tap close and it'll say, are you sure you want to close this item? Closing this item will make it inactive. So when it goes inactive, it won't sell, or it won't be available to sell. You can always turn this back on. It's closing it doesn't mean it's going to go anywhere. It just means that the listing is closed and nobody can buy it until you turn it back on. Are you sure you want to mark this as closed? You just hit yes. And at the bottom it says the change is being processed and may take up to 15 minutes to take effect. So it could take up to 15 minutes for the listing to actually close. That's pretty much it. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.